Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Grow Credit app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Grow Credit is a financial app designed to help users build their credit score by paying for their everyday subscriptions. Originally created to make credit building simple and accessible, Grow Credit links your regular payments, like Netflix, Spotify, or Hulu, to a virtual credit line that reports positive payment history to major credit bureaus. It's available on both iOS and Android and works automatically once connected to your bank account. The app's main feature is its virtual credit card, which covers eligible subscription payments while helping users build their credit history. Grow Credit offers a free plan for beginners and paid plans with higher spending limits. Users can track credit progress directly through the app, and payments are made automatically every month, ensuring on-time reporting without manual effort. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Grow Credit for its simplicity, no-interest credit line, and clear focus on credit improvement. It's especially useful for those with limited credit history or those looking to boost their score through small, consistent payments. The app's automatic system ensures reliability, and users often see gradual credit growth after consistent usage. However, there are some drawbacks. The free plan limits which subscriptions you can use, and higher-tier plans require a monthly fee. Some users also report that updates to credit reports can take time to reflect. Additionally, Grow Credit requires a linked bank account, which might concern users uncomfortable sharing banking data. In summary, the Grow Credit app may be worth using if you want a safe, low-risk way to build your credit score through the subscriptions you already pay for. However, if you're looking for instant results or prefer more flexible spending options, it might not meet all your credit building needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.